Hi guys, with me Wari Bird. I will play with my favorite lovebird. Here there are birds that are quite aggressive. He'll always follow where this hand. Bit always when to be noticed to play with us. I rarely see my pet birds. Actually, they're two of my aggressive pet birds. The other one is still in the chest. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So where does my hand move? This bird always follow. This bird is very aggressive, but they have armored and have a partner edge. This one is left by the female partner to run always, but now I have other partner. Because I met is with lovebirds cobalt. Later this baby does know what color hatching are. Hi guys, don't forget subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.